In this video, I will show you how to fix 1x by Google Authenticator. This is easy, so subscribe to your YouTube channel for more better videos like this. Before we continue, I want to show you how to create a professional 1x account. To do that, click on registration, take the third option. Fill in your details correctly from your surname right down to your password. In the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, 1xBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and register your account. Now, let's continue. So if you have a problem with your 1xBet Google Authenticator here, you can see mine is already enabled. But if you have a problem with yours, all you have to do is if you deactivate code was lost, contact customer service. So if that's a problem that you have, just go over here and click on contact customer service, or you scroll back, go over to menu, scroll to the bottom, and this is your customer service. So you can reach out to them through any of these methods. You can reach out through contacts, through an email contact, or you can chat with an operator. But all you have to do is contact them and explain to them the problem that you have, and it's going to be solved.